There's been a lot of conversation in Washington and elsewhere about the impact of these enhanced Affordable Care Act subsidies. They're set to expire at the end of the year. A nonprofit health news outlet, KFF, they estimated that marketplace premium payments would on average more than double if those subsidies are not extended. When you see data like that, does that worry you?
It worries me, but I don't just look at KFF as one of the sources of our information. We're looking at live market, we get to see what the rates are, what the utilization rate. And KFF sometimes, they look at some of the factors, but I don't think they have as good view of the marketplace as we do.
What do you think the impact would be in Georgia if these subsidies are not extended for the average ratepayer?
It is an average depending on your choice of insurance, utilization. It's going to be about 23%.
An increase?
Yes.
That's substantial.
That's substantial. I'm completely worried about, because what we're worried is that young, healthy people will decide to walk away from the marketplace and just go use emergency rooms, which we all end up paying the most expensive, most inefficient way of getting health care delivered.
And if those young, healthy people walk out of the system, does it also then push up the premiums for the people who remain enrolled?
It doesn't push the premiums this year, but it potentially has some negative effects down. And so our marketing strategy has been focused completely, really putting a lot of opportunities to go and engage a young, healthy cohort of consumers, of giving them more options to allow them to stay in the market. Maybe not go for a silver plan, maybe go for a bronze plan. And what we're doing is we're showing them, this is how much you used last year on your health care. You bought a silver plan, you probably could have gotten away with buying a bronze plan, and you could have been cheaper. And so we're trying to get as many options in front of them. And I think we're starting to see some early signs of people really taking the opportunity to talk to folks in the marketplace, and people who really know the utilization and what the market's